Hello students. So far we have covered our bridge course, and there are number of sessions occurred in physics, chemistry, biology are 7, 8 and so on. So in some of the subjects you have got 10 sessions and all. And uh, we need to be confident that you are working in home properly with the flow of lectures. So we want you to bring all the keynotes that you have written after watching the bridge course videos to us. So tomorrow, I mean to say Monday and Tuesday, you should prepare. If not prepared, you should prepare it now. Okay, prepare all the bridge course all the keynotes of bridge course. Okay, basically what is keynote? Okay, you should be aware. Whatever we will be teaching in the sessions, online sessions, you should keep a notebook and write the points in that. Okay, and if you have kept a separate book for physics, chemistry, math and bio or computer science, then that's fine. You can write it in those books and bring it to us. uh, if you have not kept, okay, it's always advised you always keep a separate book for each subject, a notebook, and take the notes, keynotes, while watching the video. Okay, and it's a reason which we want you to visit us, because we have not yet met individually. So this would be an opportunity to meet you all individually. And once you come to the college, we can discuss about the doubts that you get while watching the videos of bridge course, and we'll also get to know about you also individually, personally, and that will help us in proceeding the further syllabus as of the plan that we have done. So, if not prepared, okay, you start preparing the keynotes from now and bring the keynotes to us. The books that you have kept, notebooks that you have kept, you bring all of them. We will evaluate them, we'll check them once. What kind of understanding have you got after watching the videos? Because online sessions are new for you too, isn't it? Uh, Not sure how many of you have attended online sessions previously. So we want to be clear and confident that what we are teaching here is reaching you effectively. Okay. For that purpose, we want you to come to college, visit each lecturer, and take advice or opinion on your need keynotes, etc., etc. Okay. So if you have not prepared, prepare it now, bring it. Monday, Tuesday, you'll have 2 days of time to visit the college. Okay, it's your convenience. You can visit uh, the college in the either on Monday or on Tuesday. Okay, and from Wednesday we'll start with the regular syllabus. Once we meet, we'll have the clarity, the way in which we should approach, the way in we should take the regular syllabus forward. We can have the clarity about it and proceed it. Okay. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸೋದೇನಂತಂದರೆ, ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ನ ತರಗತಿಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರಿಣಾಮಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಓದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋವಂಥ ತರಗತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಅವರು ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲೇ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರಿಣಾಮಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ತಲುಪಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆದರೆ ಪೋಷಕರೊಂದಿಗೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಪೋಷಕರು ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಪೋಷಕರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರ ಬಳಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಏನು ಕೀನೋಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಗತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಕೀನೋಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ತಪ್ಪಿದರೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿ ಯುದು ಏನು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.